Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for the Dynasty Warriors origin game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make defeated soldiers disappear within this game. So let's get started right away. Now, while you are playing this game, you may notice that whenever you defeat a soldier or enemy, their bodies will remain on the ground. Now, while this is realistic, it may very well put additional strain onto your GPU. So if you wish for the defeated soldiers to disappear, then pause your game by pressing the start button and then go into the system settings. Here you can now go into the display option, and then you will find the defeated soldiers section. By default, it is set to remain visible. You can set this off by switching over to disappear. Once you have this setting on, the soldiers that have been defeated will disappear right away from your in-game map. And while it may be a little unrealistic, it will save your CPU and GPU from working more than necessary. You may change this setting at any point of time in the future by following the same steps. Pause your game, go into Systems, and then Display. And from here, you can choose to show or not show your defeated soldiers. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to make defeated soldiers disappear on the Dynasty Warriors origin game. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.